In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can blur items on your InVideo. So let's say you are editing a video on your InVideo account and you want to blur a part. Let me show you guys how to do that. So you can see this is my account. I'm editing this video I want to post on my YouTube channel, but then I want to blur this side here. So currently the InVideo Studio doesn't have any feature like that. So you need to use an image to do that. So here to do this, you can see the background is white. So I'm going to use white here. So I move to this side and then I tap on images here and I tap on the white here like this. So good. Now let me scroll down for a pure white image. I think this is okay. So I select this image here. You can see it's selected here. So what I need to do is resize the image. You can see on your screen I'm doing that. So now I resize it like this. So in this case, it's going to be blurred. That side is not going to be shown in the video. You get it? So now let me try playing the video and you're going to see something.
R1, which is a thin version.
You can see that side is being blurred. So after that, you can even make more settings to make it look blurred very well. That is not going to look like you used an image to cover there. So now you tap on that and then you move to here, the effect here to edit it. And now you can come here to the drop shadow this side and then you blur it more well. So now let me tap on that for it to load. It's going to take some time. I don't know why it's taking a lot of time to load. Good. So you can see the blur here. Now let me blur it. Good. And it's been blurred. So it depends on how you want the blurring to take place. So now I select more higher and then I make it opaque. So I do it something like this, which is going to make it more lighter. So you're not going to notice that it's been blurred. After doing this, nobody's going to know that you used an image to blur it. So if it's this short part, you can even use images here and then you use it to blur it. If it's a black background, use a black image. So let's say it's a black background. I use a black. You get it? So that it fits. So you can use a white to cover a black background. There's going to be some way. So if it's white and then it's blurs. So you're not going to see anything there. So that's it on how you blur images or blur parts of your videos when you're on InVideo Studio. If you are new here, give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'm going to do well to give you an answer. That's it. Peace.